We got a 97 M3. Classic, but nice. I love these M3s. Let me show you guys what it has on it before. The bad clamp broke there, and it just all fell and scraped, and it's lowered too. It's really lowered. But somebody else did the system on it, and it's just not good. It's all scraped and everything. You see the headers there? He doesn't want us to put a cat back on it, so we can't touch this area, but we can replace from here back. So these are arrows. We're gonna keep those and put a Y pipe here, single it out, because he wants to get it away from the gas tank, as you can see, because it's really close to the gas tank. He wants to get that heat off of it, so he put heat wrap. We're gonna do 2.5 out the back and reuse his tip too, and put the Borla ProXS over here, a new one. So there it is. Stay tuned. We'll let you guys see it after. All right, guys, 1997 BMW M3 lowered, the OG M3. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So we didn't touch any of this stuff. It's got headers on it, downpipes, no cat, aero mid resonators. And then this is where we started. We showed you what it looked like before. It was all rotted out and just scraping and everything. So we cleaned it up for him. We made him a custom Y pipe, as you can see, to fit the two arrows together. Then 2.5-inch pipe into a Borla ProXS muffler. He wanted to get it away from the gas tank because it's got a plastic housing. As you guys can see, it had heat tape and everything. We added him a hanger and just cleaned it up for him and added a Borla ProXS, part number 40352 right there. Then finished it off nicely with his factory tip out the back right there. All right, there's the Borla ProXS that was on it. The dual in single out that was just stuffed in there. 3-inch pipe that was just crimpled and not good looking at all. So it's a lot cleaner, a lot nicer now. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. M3, here we go. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 1997 M3 with Borla catback system and aero mid resonators. Go ahead. Yeah, now all the sound is back here instead of in the middle. Give it gas. Yeah, it's clean. How much do you think it has miles on it, on the Modi? How much do you think? How many miles are on it, you think? 300, how much? 350. 350, bro. That's crazy. Again? It sounds so good, dude. That's perfect. One more? Yeah, it sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 102. Yeah, it's perfect. No, but the body is. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. That's a good looking Beamer, man. 350K on it. It's not original motor anymore, but still on the body, that's crazy. That's when Beamer was crazy nice. That's clean. What do you guys rate the sound from 1 to 10? Let me know in the comments. I'm thinking like 8, 8.5. It's perfect. 5-speed, guys. Can't beat that. All gutted out. He just has a lot of fun with this car. I don't blame him one bit. Have you ever drifted or anything? Yeah. Beautiful car. The 97, but it's got the 2003 M3 motor in it. He swapped it. Which is heck yeah, dude. That's a beautiful motor. And it's went through and it's got headers. You guys see the headers in it? Fully built, cold air intake. Just a lot of crazy stuff done to it. BMW M3. Perfect stance on it. That's what I love about cars, man. It never ends. There's always something going on. If you don't love cars, I don't know, you don't love anything. Yeah, he knows how to drive too. That sucker's quick, bro. Look at his face. That sucker's quick. Hell yeah. Enjoy, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Guys, we got a 2023 BMW 3 Series that we just did a muffler delete on. Go ahead. 330i. Not bad. He'll be back to do the resonator delete next. Go ahead. He said in about a week he'll do a resonator delete. Good looking car. That sounds good. Beast mode out of a 330i. Enjoy, guys.